Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm back again with another pour. This pour is for the chillest otter. She gave me another color combo. I'm doing this over a cup. I asked her a couple months ago, actually when I first ordered these, so just now getting to them. I'm happy, I'm excited. I have my gloves over here. Finally found those, kind of organized my space. Pardon me. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get pouring. And I'm going to start with the green. Some of my paint has glow medium in it. Some of it has silicone in it. Kind of forgot which is which. I'm going to start with the pink though. Kind of pouring around the edges of this cup so I don't have a bunch of paint sitting there. And I guess at the end of the video I'll actually show you the last cup that I did. Because I did finish that one off, so I guess I can kind of showcase it just a wee bit. Before you guys ask about the canvas, I'm covering it up because I scare myself with it. I'll forget that it's in a certain corner and I'll turn around and it's just there and it's like, no, not today. Okay, coming back in it, this fluorescent pink. So the cup's going to be more of a drippy thing and the canvas is going to be more of a pour thing, obviously. Just trying to make sure the whole thing is coated. Like over here, it doesn't want to coat. Just move around here and see what it's doing. I'm going to get another stick. Not one of my jumbo sticks, but I'm going to get another stick from my handy corner over here. And I am going to make sure that the rest of the cup is coated roundabout. One of the joys of painting on surfaces such as these, they like to do their own kind of thing. Kind of help it, coax it, make it do what you want it to do. Just gonna wipe that on there. I'm gonna take one of my sticks and just drizzle some color over here so it'll fill in where it is lacking. I'm also gonna take my skewer and just kind of knock this stuff off the edge. I'm getting some cells along the bottom of this because, again, something has silicone in it. Don't ask me which one, I don't remember. Alright, and so looking around the cup, it looks like it's pretty much coated, so I am going to put on my glove and move it out of my way. So now that I've moved my cup, hopefully it'll act right this time. I'll keep pouring over it as it moves. I can see the silicone kind of doing some magical stuff on it, but that'll be the surprise for later. I'm going to start tilting this canvas. Hopefully the way that I have this oriented, you guys won't get much back canvas, but if you do, I'm sorry. And I think this is another 9x12 canvas if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on it. Again, I just kind of cleaned out my area, so all my labels have been trashed finally. I'm going to try as much as possible to keep this in here. I like this in here. Also, please excuse my voice. I've been under the weather, especially at the time of this recording, so, you know, too much air, coughing fit, all that. Let's do that. And let's take the skewer and kind of swipe. Swipe. There we go. I think it's the green that has the silicone in it. I'm also seeing these beautiful cells happen across the cup, which you guys cannot see, that you guys will be surprised with at a later time. Not during this video. But basically I'm using my skewer to swipe around my colors. One, to get those cells, but two, to coat the sides. There we go. Took me a minute to find that word. Just gonna scoot all this color to the edge. And I'm gonna make sure that I use all my paint, because ain't nobody got time for that, you know? Not using all that paint. Just trying to waste all that paint. I'm just kind of splattering it in these areas where the green is taking over, but also kind of all over the place, because I think it looks cool. Don't at me. My opinion. Just kind of dripping stuff from up high. It's kind of cool. Kind of pouring it along. Kind of forsaking my original idea. But that's art. Honestly, nothing ever goes quite the way you plan it to. And if it does, you're lying. And yeah, my thumb's getting in it. Yeah, I can see it now. The green has the silicone. Mystery solved. And the colors and cells I can get through here by swiping. Not a whole lot. Poured way too much green. So let's actually get a tilt on this canvas, because I think that later, as it colors move, it'll give me something really unique and interesting. I'm gonna tilt it this way, because why not? Or maybe not. Maybe I'll tilt it kind of, you know, diagonal. Which reminds me of the St. Patrick's Day pour that I did, where there was a lot of tilting and stuff. So, let's see. Maybe, just maybe, I'll mix another pink for the canvas. I think that's what I'll do. Because I kind of don't like this. Like, I like it, but I don't like it, you know? You have those feelings, you have those days. So give me a moment, and I'm going to mix some more pink. Alright, I'm back. I am looking at this painting through the camera, and I realize that it might look kind of okay on camera. But I have some reservations about all these green areas. So I'm also going to add some silicone to this pink. You know, just enough. And whip that up, and I'm going to start kind of drizzling. This warmer pink across this canvas. It doesn't have any glow in it. It's just good old acrylic. And it's going to hopefully yield me some nicer results, as it is mixed with acrylic as well. It's already selling up on me, so I'm gonna let that run off just a wee bit. Just a wee bit, enough to cover this canvas before I come over. I already have paint on my hands, so there's no point in me like putting the paint back on. Pardon. I like that cell action, so I'm gonna just let that be for the most part. Kind of swipe through here, see what it does. Flinging paint in the opposite direction of my camera. What did I get on this camera? I don't remember. It might have been clay or something like that, but you know, I'm not ready to play that game today. Like, watch as she avoids getting paint in her lens, part 7012, you know? But this is such a fun color mixture, and yes, I'm happy to do this one. It makes me very happy to do this one. I think I'm going to just do these splatters again. Maybe not getting too carried away here, but do some of these splatters. And I think it'd be fun to drizzle some of this off camera onto the cup. Y'all don't get to see. Sorry. Probably most of the bottom of this cup is going to be hot pink or something. But hey. And the cup will later get a resin coat. Probably not gonna do that on camera. Gotta wait for the paint to dry and all that. And I want you guys to see this on time, so you know, y'all will probably see that next week. Oh, I almost forgot. You guys, about the cup from last week. So let me get the excess paint off my hands. This this is the cup that I poured over a couple weeks ago. I'm trying to remember. Easter pour. So what I did, if you watched the end of the video, I put some glitter in my resin, and it's my little shimmery stuff that I like. So as you turn it in the light, it glimmers, it shines, it's pretty, it's cutesy. I have my stickers, well, my decals in it, and I am overall pretty happy with this result. I hope that this next cup turns out just as well, or even better than this one. And I will look into steadily improving doing these, because I really enjoy doing these cups. Like I said, I did my own some time ago, and now I've come back and I'm kind of doing these as well for fun. And it's a great time. So thanks for tuning into this video and making it to the end. If you enjoyed today's video or want to see more content like this, go ahead, thumbs up this video, subscribe, so hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new content, and consider donating a coffee to support the content. That link is in my description below. And until next time, guys, happy making.